Hello guys, welcome to our professional learning YouTube channel. Guys, today's video would be very interesting. Why so? Because we know that COVID-19 disease is totally worldwide today. Still we don't get any single vaccine for COVID-19. Also, we are not able to see about future expectations regarding COVID-19 disease. So guys, if the same cases would be increased with the respect to time, then what would be the death rate on how many cases? For this practical analysis, we are taking death rate as one variable and total number of cases per day as another variable for Rajasthan region. Meanwhile, we are doing forecasting for COVID-19 by using correlation and regression analysis. Now, we know that the first case of COVID-19 was reported on 30 January 2020 in India. And in Rajasthan, the first case of COVID-19 was reported on 2nd March 2020. Now we are focusing on past data. Total infected persons are 23,86,461 and total death is 47,068. If we talk about the Rajasthan, total infected persons are 56,100 and total death is 822. Guys, correlation tells the relationship between the two variables. The value of the correlation should be between -1 to 1. Here we are getting the negative magnitude with 0.90. So we can say that it is a negative correlation. इस रिलेशनशिप से हम ये प्रूव कर सकते हैं कि जैसे जैसे केसेस बढ़ेंगे वैसे वैसे डेथ रेट कम होती जाएगी। रिग्रेशन एनालिसिस के लिए हमारे पास रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन जो है वो है डेथ रेट इक्वल्स टू a प्लस बी एक्स। यहाँ पर x नंबर ऑफ केसेस को डिनोट कर रहा है और a इंटरसेप्ट एंड b स्लोप को डिनोट कर रहा है। आफ्टर पुटिंग दिस डेटा वी विल गेट एस्टिमेटेड डेथ रेट एट 0% when the cases will come around 3000 per day basis. So based on this overall analysis, we can conclude that total infected cases is inversely related to the death rate. Means जैसे जैसे cases infected cases बढ़ेंगे वैसे वैसे हमारे death rate कम होती जाएगी। The next conclusion of this study is अगर ये डेटा इसी तरीके से फॉलो हुआ तो जब हमारे पास पर डे बेसिस पे 3000 इन्फेक्टेड केसेस आने लगेंगे तब जाके हमारी डेथ रेट नॉमिनल होने लगेगी, मीन्स इक्वल टू 0 होने लगेगी। द फाइनल कंक्लूजन ऑफ दिस स्टडी इज व्हेन वी विल स्टार्टिंग गेटिंग द 3000 इन्फेक्टेड केसेस पर डे बेसिस, then the total infected person would be around 3 lakhs. It can be increased or it can be decreased because it is totally depend on the number of cases. Guys, in last 5 months around 56,000 person infected only in Rajasthan. So why not around 3 lakhs person can infected through this disease by 2021 January or February. This data is not so predictable, even also showing confirmance because the infected cases increasing day by day. So keep yourself protected with the environment and follow the proper safety measures. I hope you will like the way of learning. If you like this video, please share with others so that people make aware about the current situation. Thank you for watching this video.